Can you show me how big and strong you're getting by exercising? Whoa! Good job.
I'm going to use these on to exercise.
Okay. Alright, they look like they fit pretty good.
I'll go down there and exercise.
Okay, well, how are you going to exercise?
First got, turn that, well, put that foot up.
Yep.
Roll off.
Oh, really?
We'll go on.
Oh, to turn the light on, yeah. Yeah, then how are you going to exercise?
I'm going to build my own workbench.
You're going to build your own workbench?
I said your own.
Yeah. Oh, the tags are still on your exercise pants. Yeah.
Cut it off.
Can you ask nicer? The whole thing nicer. Benjamin.
Like that?
Yeah, that's a good way to wear them. That's good. You look good.
How like this?
No, that's not gonna work.
Yes.
There. That looks nice and comfy.
I got exercise down in the basement.
Okay, who else exercises in the basement?
Daddy.
Daddy does?
Not Zaggy. He'll fall off and go away upstairs.
Yeah, Zach will crawl away.
And I will fall down.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Do you exercise downstairs?
I'm big and strong to exercise.
Yes, you are.
Just put your hands down in your arms.
Yeah.
And exercise. You just put the lay down.
You do, and then what do you do? Show me. Lay down and show me.
And get up.
And then you get up? Oh.
And you put your muscles up and down.
Oh.
And that's how you exercise.
Very good, Benjamin.
I've seen them.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.